Today, we will be discussing the Phillips curve, a concept in economics that shows the inverse relationship between inflation and unemployment. The curve is named after economist A. W. Phillips, who first observed the relationship in the 1950s. The Phillips curve suggests that as unemployment decreases, inflation tends to increase, and vice versa. This relationship can be explained by the idea that when there is low unemployment, there is high demand for labor, which can lead to wage increases. These wage increases can then lead to higher prices for goods and services, ultimately causing inflation. Conversely, when unemployment is high, there is less demand for labor, which can lead to lower wages and lower prices for goods and services. This can lead to lower inflation. The Phillips curve has been an important tool for policymakers in managing the economy. It suggests that there is a trade-off between inflation and unemployment, and that policymakers must choose which variable to prioritize. For example, if the goal is to reduce unemployment, it may be necessary to accept higher inflation, and if the goal is to reduce inflation, it may be necessary to accept higher unemployment. However, the Phillips curve has been criticized for oversimplifying the relationship between inflation and unemployment. In reality, there are many factors that can affect both variables, and the relationship between them may not always be consistent. In conclusion, the Phillips curve is an important concept in economics that shows the relationship between inflation and unemployment. While it has been a useful tool for policymakers, it should be used with caution and with an understanding of its limitations. Thank you for watching.